Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kevin Zarro, and I'm with Bowers & Wilkins, and we are here at Audio Device Live. This is our 5th year here, and we are super excited to showcase our brand new line of speakers, the 800D5 series. I think of no better way than to, celebrate our 60th anniversary with a new line of speakers. What you're looking at right here is the brand new 801D5. To the trained eye, you could probably see a few differences. You'd see a brand new grille taken off of the Signature series. If you look at the bottom, you'd see a new plinth. And if you came around to the back, you'd probably notice the new spine and the new speaker terminals. But that is just a very small portion of all the improvements that we've made. We spent a tremendous amount of time looking at the original cabinet design of the D4 and how do we make that better? How do we make it quieter? How do we make it, less resonant? And the engineers accomplished that with our new matrix bracing. Once we got that down, we went to work on the crossover, completely changed the crossover, changed the motor systems, and what we have here is a speaker that's been in the making for 60 years. It truly is the best speaker that we've ever designed, and we're so proud to be, showcasing this to the consumers here at Audio Device Live. We have 4 new colors, actually 3 new colors. We have a stealth black that replaces the gloss black. We have this new beautiful dark walnut. And we also have a new warm white, and those are available in all 5 variations, whether the 801, 802, 803, 804, and 805, and even the stands for the 805 are brand new. For those of you who'd want to use this in your theater, it's perfectly at home in the theater as it is in a 2-channel system, but we've also updated the center channel speakers. So the HTM series we now offer in the dark walnut, as well as the new stealth black, and of course the new warm white. And we've also updated the subwoofers, the DB1s, to have the similar color characteristics as well, so stealth black and the warm white. And we're super proud to be partnering, with Marantz on the demo here. So if you take a look at what we have over here, we have the Model 10s. These are 250-watt stereo amplifiers. Out of the box, it's an integrated amplifier. We're using it as a straight power amplifier today. And because we're in a big space here, we actually use 2 of them. So each amplifier is delivering 250 watts into 8, 500 into 4, and if you need more power than that, they'll deliver for you. They just keep going. In this configuration, we have 250 watts going to the woofers, and then another 250 going into the tweeters. So, left amplifier, left channel woofers, left amplifier, right channel going to the mids and tweets, and the same holds true on the right side, right amplifier. Left side going to the mids and tweets, right side going to the woofer. So you have an incredible amount of power here, and these things control these 801s magnificently. Our piece in the center, super proud of the Link 10. Out of the box, the Link 10 is an incredible streamer, but we're using it actually as a preamp today because, again, we're just using the Model 10s as straight amplifiers. Great phono section, great headphone section, incredible D to A converter, and then also a world-class streamer. If you want to get more information on Bowers, just go to bowersandwilkins.com, or if you're looking at the Marantz information, marantz.com. And you guys are going to love what you're going to see. Make sure you visit both those websites and learn everything you can about both Bowers and Marantz.